Hey everybody, I am Praveen and I am building CodeVeen.com is really amazing. And right now, bro, you can see here 11:45 at night. It's really crazy, bro. You see here, you see here 11:48 means of that it's night time and I am building a platform, a startup things CodeVeen.com, a tool, a website that helps that helps everybody to learn code and also not just code, make projects and a lot more things. And here's I am via glass damn sits. It's like a lot more my mind and all things are really crunching every single day to me, and it's night time, so that's why my energy is low. But you can see here the codewin.com here, it's like some it's like my phone is not focusing more, so sorry for that. You can see here, the codewin.com, here the codewin, and you can also search the codewin.com so that you can get my website in the web. Okay, you search codewin.com and you've got the website. Okay, so you see here what I've done in this website is nothing. It's just a landing page showcasing here. Just you can see here problem hub and project hub and all the things. Yeah, it's just a landing page. It's just a landing page. It's okay for that, but I can create everything day by day and posting in the internet every single day. Today is 14 September 2025, and I damn sure that we get more users and we can create that all the things and every settings in the codewin.com, and we are going to give all the efforts whatever we have, 100% giving all the things and all, just working for one mission in this 3 months, maybe 2 or 3 months, like September, October, November, December, like maybe we have 3 months, 2 months. It's okay for that, but we are going all in this 2025 so that we can never regret in 2026. Yes, bro, this is the legacy, and I think everybody needs to take that, and everybody needs to get a challenge, take a challenge and build something that's really matter, bro. I am just going to do every single things. And yes, the codewin.com is help everybody, and you can also see whatever I've written and whatever features I am going to give in MVP. So that's it, bro, that I wanted to say to everybody in 2025. Me, Praveen, from India, making a product, making a thing that really helps more than people freely, a lot more, and just not another tutorial platform. It's not just another another dummy, like you can say, another preparing for job set. No, here's I am going to think on that perspective to build something, to create something for like just a startup thing, like just creating a web things and all. So give for that everything you just create. And yeah, I think everybody damn sure things are getting. And I think I think I think CodeVeen is all about just creating, not websites, not them. It's about you are going to create SaaS apps, like a small apps, and you're going to use every single day. That is the CodeVeen.com is giving you all the damn shit, giving you all the things that are really matter. And yeah, I am here not flexing. I am just sharing with you that whatever right now I'm feeling, bro, it's like too different. It's like my mind and my body and everything is working for CodeVeen right now. Damn sure, bro. I made every damn thing in 2025, and I get $2,100 in this year 2025, making thousands, not thousands, maybe hundred or few hundred or 200 posts in the blog format, and also providing 2 to 3 different type of courses and type of websites that really needed to build and that anyone can build and resell it on the market. And yeah, it's not about just only for websites. I am also take of you to make apps and all things, but making app is 2 different categories. Like we need to make in React Natives and all. It's okay for that, but right now I just wanted to say you that we are going to build in public every single day and showcasing whatever I build daily and with you that every damn set. So keep watching. Just comment me below what you think about and what really needed to you, that is you want for me, and I can make that every single set. Thanks. Let's go. I'll see you tomorrow.